everyone, and welcome back to Operation Water Drop, a program for English speaking and reading in a way you can share with your students. Today, we will be learning Lesson 13, the story about Joseph and his coat. We will also be learning the colors and clothes. Are you ready? Grab your notebooks, sit up straight, and let's get started. Let's learn our vocabulary from My Precious Book together. Are you ready? Most. Most. The girl has the most books. Most. Colored. Colored. I use my colored pencils to make art. Colored. Coat. Coat. I wear my coat outside when it is cold. Coat. Seek. Seek. He is seeking stars in the night sky. Seek. Kingdom. Kingdom. The kingdom is a strong and safe place to live. Kingdom. Righteousness. Righteousness. Righteousness is the goodness and fairness of God. Righteousness. Great job! Let's learn our power verse together. Are you ready? Matthew, chapter 6, verse 31 to 33. So do not worry, saying, "What shall we eat? Or what shall we drink? Or what shall we wear?" For the pagans run after all these things, and your heavenly Father knows you need them. But seek first His kingdom and His righteousness, and all these things will be given to you as well. Let's read it one more time. Matthew, chapter 6, verse 31 to 33. So do not worry, saying, "What shall we eat? Or what shall we drink? Or what shall we wear?" For the pagans run after all these things, and your heavenly Father knows you need them. But seek first His kingdom and His righteousness, and all these things will be given to you as well. Awesome job, everyone. Now let's read My Precious Book together. My Precious Book, page 25. Jacob was old now, and he had 12 sons, but he loved Joseph the most. He even made a beautiful colored coat for him. Joseph's elder brothers got angry because Jacob only made the coat for Joseph alone, and not for them. What did Jacob give to his young son Joseph? We can learn 3 important points from this story and from our power verse. Number 1, we do not have to worry about what we drink, eat, or wear. Number 2, God knows what we need. Number 3, Seeking God first is the most important thing we can do. Awesome job, everyone. Let's learn our new English vocabulary words together. Are you ready? Red, red. Yellow, yellow. Blue, blue. Green, green. Purple, purple. Orange, orange. Pink, pink. Black, black. Gray, gray. White, white. Great job. Now let's learn the clothes. Shirt, shirt. Shoes, shoes. Pants, pants. Hat, hat. Jacket, jacket. Socks, socks. Skirt, skirt. Dress, dress. High heels, high heels. Glasses, glasses. Sunglasses, sunglasses. Purse, purse. Backpack, backpack. Awesome job, everyone. Now let's practice the verb to wear. I wear. You wear. He wears. She wears. We wear. They wear. Let's do some practice together. What is he wearing? He is wearing a blue shirt, gray pants, and black shoes. What is the woman wearing? She is wearing a white shirt, a blue jacket, blue pants, and dark blue high heels. What is the girl wearing? She is wearing a yellow sweater, a blue skirt, and red shoes. She is also wearing purple and yellow socks and a purple backpack. What is the boy wearing? He is wearing an orange shirt, blue pants, and white shoes. He also has a red backpack. Great job, everyone. Let's practice listening to our dialogue together. Lesson 13 Dialogue. Hey Mary, I am looking for the math teacher, Miss Arnold. Do you know where she is? Yes, I have class with Miss Arnold every day. She is over there. Can you see her? She is wearing a purple shirt and a black skirt. She also has purple shoes. I see her. Thank you. Hi everyone. Tomorrow is my birthday party. I want to take many fun and special pictures. My favorite color is blue. Can everyone wear blue? I have a blue shirt and blue pants, but I don't have blue shoes. Can I wear black shoes? Of course! That sounds great. How about you, Anne? I have a blue dress, or I can wear a white shirt with a blue skirt. What do you think? Both sound great. Thank you so much for learning English with me today. I hope you can practice your colors and the clothes that you wear. If this video helped you learn English, please like and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Goodbye!